Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a trumpet. Let's start off by drawing a long vertical line that bends out to the right. From the top, extend the line going down, then curve out to the left like so. And mirror that in the bottom half as well. From the top end, extend the line and move back to the right. Then, curve up into the line above. Do the same for the bottom end as well, like this. From the upper left of the loop, draw two horizontal lines going out to the left. Then, cap it off with a small triangle shape for the part of the trumpet that you blow into. Inside the loop, draw 6 vertical lines. And underneath those, draw 3 small nubs like so. On top, extend the lines up just a tiny bit. And draw 3 small flat ovals on top of them. Draw 2 more very short vertical lines on top of each of the ovals. And lastly, an even smaller oval on top of those. These are the buttons that you press to make different sounds. To add some more detail, draw a tall oval with a small oval underneath on the front of the trumpet to make it look shiny. And a short curved line here for the bend where it gets wider. Then, add 3 lines going out the front for the noise. And now you've got a trumpet.